Hi everyone, welcome to today video. Today videos. If you are interested in data science, you will come to the right place. Today we are talking about the first and most important step in the data science life cycle. That is the problem identification. Before we analyze data, building models or make prediction, we must first know the exact problem we are solving. Think about it. If you want to go on a trip but you don't know your destination, you plan your journey? No. In the same way, if you don't define a problem properly, our data science project won't be successful. Stage 1 is the problem identification. Today we are divided into stage 1, that is problem identification. By the end of this video, we will know how to define a strong data problem and we will explore the real world case study, so stick around. Here is the top companies that use data science, that is Spotify, Netflix, Amazon, Starbucks, Facebook, and many more companies use to data science for the data driven decision making, optimizing operation, and enhancing customer experience. It helps in predictive analytics, automation, fraud detection, and personalized recommendation. Then question arises, what is the problem identification? Problem identification is the every data science project start with the question, but not just any question. A well-defined problem is critical for the success. Think of it like a planning a trip. Imagine you and your friend decide to take a vacation, but you don't know where to go. You might end up wasting time, money, and energy deciding last minute. The same thing happen in the data science. If you don't define your goal clearly, your project might be over in the place. That is the problem identification. We see the first, what is problem identification, then we see why problem identification is critical. Let's take one example, that is Netflix. Imagine they launch a new feature but don't define a clear problem statement. They say we want to improve recommendation. Sound good, right? But that does not improve mean they do they want more engagement, more user retention, a better user experience? A work problem statement won't help. Instead of saying we want to improve recommendation, a better problem statement would be, can we predict the next movie a user will likely watch based on past viewing history? Yes. A good problem statement is like a detective clue. It must be specific, measurable, and actionable. Let's see the 4V framework. 4V framework is nothing but the define a problem statement effectively. Then, what is 4V? 4V is the what, why, who, which. Let's see the first what. What are trying to solve? Predicting tune, predicting fraud. Are customers leaving due to price, quality, or competitions? Then, second, see. Why is the important? Increase renew, improve experience. Retaining customer means more renew and loyalty. Let's see the third. Who will use these insights? Marketing team, customers, the sales team and marketing team needs this data to create better offers. Let's see the fourth. Fourth one is the which data to need: transaction log, user activity. We need purchase history, competitor pricing, and customer feedback. This structured approach ensures what we focus on solving the right problems. Let's see the one case study that case study based on Amazon recommendation system. Let's break down it. Amazon makes billions using data driven recommendation. Imagine you are browsing for books on Amazon, and after purchasing a mystery novel, you start seeing suggestions for other bestsellers in the same genre, author recommendations, or even related non-fiction books. That's data science at work. Their problem statement is, how can we predict that books customer will buy next? By analyzing browsing history, past experience, past purchase, reading experience, and even how long you view books details. Amazon creates personalized book recommendation. Then this, let's see the little bit revision of problem identification. A huge question leads to unclear result. Define your goal properly. Use 4 ways to define your problem. If you found this insight, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.